What's up, guys? Figured while I'm out here on the trail, we got a broke down Jeep behind me. They're trying to get the drive shaft replaced on it. I figured I might go ahead and do a walk around. Never really introduced you to Pigpen, so here she is. Got a Smittybilt XRC 8,000 pound winch. I really could stand to get a bigger winch on there. I run a Crawler Concepts front bumper. I do not remember what it's called. I bought it about, well, when Crawler Concepts first came out. I did my own steering. 7075 T6 aluminum tie rod, drag link, and I run a, honestly, I do not remember what track bar that is, but PSC steering assist. A bunch of wires hanging down here. I must have clipped a zip tie for something and never zip tie it back up. I'll have to do that before we take off. But Moto-Bilt diff cover, Dana 60 out of a 9904 Ford. Factory cut fenders, Milestar Patagonia 40-inch 13.5s, Hummer H2 wheels, Yukon lockout hubs. Continue with the Crawler Concepts boat slides. One of the things I like most about the Jeep is the Off-Road Heroes top. Now this right here is kind of nasty. It's like ends up being a little pool, but it cleans up okay. Then Evo Manufacturing Builder corners. A little modification to fit with the 40s. Back bumper, JCR. I don't remember the name. Again, bought it years ago. I don't believe in just switching out bumpers. All that's for just because. Then 14 bolt rear, running Rancho 9000 shocks, I believe. JKS track bar. Rock Crawler 3-link suspension with metal cloak, 3.5-inch 3.5-inch coils. When I did the 1-tons, I did my own control arms. I went to the local metal market, bought 2-inch DOM tubing, and made my own arms. Somewhere underneath there, I don't know, is a Adams drive shaft. So inside, it's really nothing spectacular. I got a rock hard cage that I just put in, painted white, bar tack seat covers, which these things have saved a ton. Yeah, my console's trash when I wheel. Little dude back here had Carolina Metal Master grab handles up here. Had to get rid of those for the rock hard cage, but I did keep the ones for the rear passengers because they make such a difference. They really do. The front axle, I have an ARB selectable locker. The rear axle, I'm running a Torx locker, or Torx automatic locker. The front axle, I'm running an ARB selectable. That way it's a little bit more street worthy. The rear, I'm running the Torx locker, automatic locker. Yukon outer axle shafts, 35 spline. I converted it from the 30 spline factory to a 35 spline outer. No real motor mods. I do have the trail dash, but I haven't got it to where any performance stuff. My performance is my hike it, which not really performance because it's just a pedal commander or a throttle response tool. So that's really about it. Nothing special on the inside. The outside I got a bunch of stuff, but it's a bunch of little things that make it great wheeling. So don't make excuses, just get out there and wheel. it sounds like we might be ready to go wheeling. I'm gonna get those wires picked back up and then get back out on the trail.